What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best black car detailing products on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Turtle Wax Ceramic Acrylic Black Polish. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Acrylic Black Polish and Wax is specially developed for black and dark-colored vehicles. Designed with a ceramic-infused formula, it helps maintain a smooth and polished look by treating light imperfections on the surface. It contains medium-grit ceramic material that helps reduce minor flaws such as swirl marks and faint scratches, creating a smooth black finish. This product uses black pigmented carnauba wax to enrich the appearance of the paint. It enhances depth and adds a noticeable shine to black surfaces, giving a refreshed look to aging or dull paintwork. Its ceramic properties work to resist water and road grime, which helps keep the surface clean for longer durations with less effort between washes. It is simple to use and suits both hand and machine application. For best performance, allow the product to settle for 1 full day after use. Once cured, it provides a layer that shields against common contaminants. This black polish and wax comes in a 14-ounce container. It offers a fragrant tropical fruit scent as part of the Hybrid Solutions line. For improved ongoing maintenance, it pairs well with Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Acrylic Black Spray Wax, which adds an extra layer of shine and protection. With a balanced blend of ceramic and wax components, it offers a practical way to refresh the look of black vehicles and help preserve that clean and glossy surface over time. Turtle Wax continues to bring advanced care for black car surfaces through easy-to-use solutions like this polish and wax. In our list, the number 4 product name is Guys Plastic Restorer. Bring plastic, rubber, and vinyl back to life. Guys Plastic Restorer is made to help improve the look of plastic, rubber, and vinyl found on vehicles. It is designed for both inside and outside use, offering a simple way to bring worn trim and faded surfaces back to life. Packaged in an 8-ounce bottle, this detailing item is lightweight and easy to handle, weighing just under 10 ounces. The formula is developed to stay effective for many weeks, even when exposed to weather. It resists water, which helps avoid streaks during rain or after washing the vehicle. Unlike many trim products that leave an oily layer, this restorer is made to dry completely. That means no sticky residue and no mess left on towels or other tools. This product is made in the United States by Guys. Their team focuses on crafting auto care solutions with quality materials and modern science. Each bottle is mixed with care, aiming for consistent performance. The plastic restorer is created for user convenience and does not require extra tools beyond the included foam pad. It can help renew faded trim areas and keep surfaces protected longer between cleanings. Because it is not greasy or wet after use, it makes car detailing more pleasant and avoids the frustration of leftover buildup on hands or cloths. With the right care, rubber and plastic areas of your vehicle can look cleaner and more vibrant. Guys provides a solution that is built for lasting results and simple application, helping to save effort and maintain a better look over time. In our list, the number 3 product name is Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax. Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax comes in a 16-ounce bottle and is made to improve the look and feel of a vehicle's surface. This liquid wax is designed to help protect the paint while giving a deep shine. It includes a towel and applicator pad to make the process more convenient during use. Created with synthetic ingredients, the wax works to build a lasting shield over the paint. This barrier helps guard against sun exposure and outside materials. It also helps the surface maintain a bright and clear finish for a longer time. The wax uses a special design to help water slide away, which makes the paint stay cleaner. It spreads easily over the surface and can be used in different weather, even under sunlight. Once applied, it wipes off without much effort. That means car owners can complete the task in less time while still getting polished results. The texture of the wax allows for smooth movement across the paint, making it user-friendly. This item is safe for use on various types of glossy surfaces. Whether using it with hand tools or with a machine such as a dual-action polisher, it can help enhance the appearance of the car's exterior. The included towel and pad are made to assist in the process, helping the wax to apply evenly and fully cover each area. Meguiars, a trusted name in vehicle care, made this product for those who want both ease and strong results. With consistent use, it can help maintain that fresh, reflective look that car owners enjoy while offering extra protection for the body of the vehicle. In our list, the number 2 product name is Meguiar's Gold Class High Gloss Premium Quik Detailer. Meguiar's Gold Class High Gloss Premium Quik Detailer is a liquid spray product that comes in a 24-ounce bottle. It is developed to help keep the outside of a vehicle looking clean and fresh between full washes. This detailing spray works well on dark paint, adding depth and enhancing the surface with a smooth and clear result. The formula helps remove light layers of dust and small marks such as fingerprints, giving a refined appearance in just a few moments. It is designed for auto exterior use and provides a shine that helps improve the look of the paint. The texture of the spray allows it to glide easily across the surface without leaving behind lint or streaks when used with the right cloth. This spray is made to be gentle on coated surfaces, helping keep finishes in good shape. It works without removing the existing wax layer, which helps preserve the previous detailing work. That means less need for repeated waxing while still keeping the car looking well cared for. When used with a soft microfiber cloth, this spray leaves no marks and helps bring out a smooth and polished finish. The high lubricity of the liquid makes it easier to handle and reduces friction, which helps avoid scratching the paint. Meguiars, known for car care products, created this quick detailing spray for easy and fast maintenance. It helps make vehicle paint look darker and glossier, while also offering a simple way to clean in between regular washing or waxing sessions. Regular use can help extend the appearance of clean and shiny paint without added effort. In our list, the number 1 product name is Chemical Guys HOL 203 Black Car Care Kit. Chemical Guys Black Car Care Kit includes 9 detailing items designed for maintaining the look of black or deep-colored vehicles. It is made to support routine cleaning and surface care by providing a combination of foam and diamond-based fine grit materials. Each part of the kit is created for use on surfaces such as plastic, rubber, paintwork, and stainless steel, offering a full approach to exterior maintenance. This detailing kit is developed to help improve the condition of dark paint by removing surface buildup and reducing minor marks during application. The products are designed to support a smoother surface, giving a cleaner and more even appearance after use. The set includes items meant to treat black vehicles with extra care to help avoid swirl lines or surface damage. It comes with selected cleaners, wax, and glaze suited for dark finishes, aiming to bring out the natural color depth. These products are developed for better surface clarity while helping the paint stay cleaner longer. The soft foam applicators and microfiber cloths included in the kit are made to handle delicate finishes while supporting effective use. Each item in the set plays a role in maintaining the vehicle's outside condition without the need for harsh tools. With the right steps and consistent use, it helps preserve the deep color and reduces the signs of daily wear. This makes it easier for car owners to care for their vehicles without spending too much time or effort. The combination of cleaning and surface care helps protect and support the shine of dark-colored cars while also making future maintenance simpler.